Have you ever thought about the extraordinary nutritional wealth found in tiny chia seeds? Native to Guatemala and Mexico, these seeds were so prized by the Mayans and Aztecs that the word chia means strength in the Mayan language. Surprisingly, chia seeds contain more omega-3s per weight than salmon. But how can we incorporate them into our daily diet to maximize their health benefits? This video will detail the surprising health benefits of chia seeds, such as improved digestion, aid in weight loss, heart health support, and bone strength. Together, we'll explore how these small seeds can make a significant difference in our lives. In this video, we'll cover 8 incredible health benefits of chia seeds and discover creative ways to include them in your daily meals. 1. Digestive benefits. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, a crucial component of a healthy diet that is often overlooked. Adequate fiber intake is essential for a healthy digestive system. Consuming chia seeds provides up to 10 grams of fiber per serving, which represents 29% to 45% of the daily recommended intake, depending on your needs. A high-fiber diet helps maintain a healthy digestive system, supports heart health, and reduces cholesterol levels. Chia seeds, containing both soluble and insoluble fiber, promote regular bowel movements and prevent blood sugar spikes. 2. Weight loss benefits. Research suggests that chia seeds can play a significant role in weight loss, primarily due to their high fiber content. A 2011 study review found that chia seeds could help reduce body mass in the short term. Another study showed that participants who added chia seeds to their yogurt reported greater satiety compared to those who ate yogurt without chia. The addition of chia to your diet may help control hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. 3. Heart health benefits. Chia seeds are packed with compounds that benefit heart health, including the antioxidant quercetin, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known to support heart health. Around 75% of the fat in chia seeds is alpha-linolenic acid, with another 20% being omega-6 fatty acids. These help prevent heart disease and reduce the risk of premature death. While more research is needed, studies on animals show chia seeds can reduce triglycerides and oxidative stress, lowering blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. For cholesterol control, chia seeds have been linked to improved cholesterol levels and may help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, which increases the risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber in chia forms a gel in the digestive tract, binding to bile acids made partly from cholesterol and helping excrete them, thus lowering overall cholesterol levels. A 2009 study found that consuming 37 grams of chia seeds daily can reduce total cholesterol while raising good cholesterol, HDL. 5. Free radical reduction. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage from free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm cells and lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants in chia help combat oxidative stress, protecting cells and DNA from damage, slowing cellular aging, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chia seeds contain components that help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, and chia's antioxidants also fight oxidative stress, a major cause of chronic inflammation. Consuming chia seeds regularly can help control inflammation and lower the risk of chronic disease. 7. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds may play a significant role in controlling blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. The high fiber content in chia slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. Research also suggests that chia may improve insulin sensitivity, making it important for managing metabolic diseases like diabetes. 8. Bone health benefits. Chia seeds are rich in nutrients vital for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. With more calcium per gram than many dairy products, Chia seeds are a great alternative for those who don't consume dairy. Emerging research suggests that chia seeds may have a positive impact on bone mineral density, particularly relevant for older adults and postmenopausal women at risk for osteoporosis. Incorporating chia into your diet. Adding chia seeds to your daily meals is incredibly simple. They can be sprinkled on smoothies, yogurt, salads, and soups, or used in baked goods. One popular way to use chia is in chia pudding, mixing the seeds with milk or a milk substitute, and letting them swell overnight. Chia can also be added to your oatmeal, pancakes, or post-workout shakes for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Even small amounts of chia can significantly enhance the nutritional value of your meal. Final thoughts. Given the wide range of health benefits chia seeds offer, I highly recommend incorporating them into your diet. Share your experiences, questions, and suggestions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.